Look at me. Are you in this country with or without permission?
Without.
Drinking while driving? And I'm going to tell you now, the incoming president is not very sympathetic with people who are in immigration custody. Do you understand? You will be stuck like Chuck in custody. Tell me, are you a United States citizen?
I'm a resident.
I don't know if you are or not. And quite frankly, I don't care.
This guy strutted in like a DUI. It was nothing but a minor hiccup. Thought he could just say, "Oops, my bad," and walk right out. But the judge wasn't buying it. Instead, she hit him with the real question. Are you even in this country legally? And that's when the whole facade collapsed. No license, no legal status, just bad choices stacked like dominoes. Suddenly, the talk turned to deportation in jail, and that cocky grin disappeared. What do you think? Are judges being fair, or is this too extreme? Let's dive in.
Are you Arnaldo Bernabe Larios Tayun?
Yes, sir.
Order in the court, please.
You were charged with driving while intoxicated. You are facing up to 6 months in jail and or a $2,000 fine. We are going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can or will be used against you. You have the right to have an attorney present. If you cannot afford one, one will be appointed to you, sir.
On October 31st, 2024, officers were dispatched at 2:46 a.m. to report to the motor vehicle sitting in the intersection of a public roadway in Harris County, Texas.
Can I put you, slow down just a tad?
Yes,
Please.
of course.
Order in the court.
Vehicle was.
The vehicle was sitting in the intersection
Estacionado en
of
el
a public
intersección de
roadway
la carretera, la calle pública.
in Harris County,
del condado de
Texas,
Harris County,
with the
Texas,
driver
con el
asleep at the
chofer ahí
wheel.
dormido en el volante.
Upon
El perdido,
arrival,
los policías,
officers located
ellos,
defendant's motor vehicle
encontraron el
and
vehículo,
observed defendant to be the
y lo
sole
vieron, que era el
occupant
único
of the
que estaba
vehicle.
en el vehículo.
Upon
Cuando
contact with the
hicieron contacto con el
defendant,
acusado,
officers
los
observed
oficiales
red,
vieron que
glossy
tenía sus
eyes,
ojos brillosos,
slurred speech,
la
and an
tonalidad
odor of
para hablar, y un olor
alcoholic
de
beverage emitting from the
que provenía
defendant's person,
de su persona.
along with poor
Cuando
balance.
también no se podía balancear.
The defendant
El
admitted to
acusado
drinking,
admitió de que
and
había
an
tomado,
inventory
y
of
con
the
el
vehicle
inventario del vehículo
yielded several
vieron
open,
que
cold to the
varios
touch beer cans.
Drinking while driving?
Siendo y tomando,
Most of which were mostly
cuando
empty.
la mayor parte estaban vacíos.
SFSTs were
La
conducted,
FST se hicieron
6 out of 6
6 del
HGN,
HGN,
plus vertical gaze
también el
nystagmus,
nystagmus vertical,
and 3 out of 4 one-leg stand.
3 de 4 de pararse en una sola pierna.
The defendant failed to perform the walk and turn
No pudo
because he
hacer
failed to
caminar y
follow
voltear porque no
instructions.
siguió las instrucciones.
DICs were read but
Entonces se le
refused,
leyó,
and a
se
warrant was
negó.
signed and
Entonces se
executed.
firmó una
He
orden y
has
se
no driver's license,
hizo.
judge, and no
No tenía
prior criminal
licencia ni
history.
tampoco tenía ningún antecedentes.
I would hope
Yo,
that you recognize it's elementary that you're not supposed to have alcohol in the car while you are driving, Mr. Tayun.
señor Tayun,
Do you have a Texas driver's license? Look at me.
míreme, no,
You're not
a usted
allowed
no
to
se le
drive.
permite conducir.
What is your immigration status? Are you a United States citizen?
¿Es ciudadano americano?
No.
No,
Are you in this country with or without permission?
without.
What happens if you go to jail?
Van a regresar al país.
I don't know, I believe that return me to my country.
Right.
Cierto.
You will sit
Usted va
in jail
a la cárcel.
waiting for this case to be over with, and then you will be shipped off to immigration.
Lo mandan con
But you will sit in immigration custody for about 6 to 9 months, waiting for immigration to do whatever they're going to do. And I'm going to tell you now, the incoming president is not very sympathetic
Ese no es muy
with people
simpático.
who are in immigration custody. Do you understand?
¿Entiende? Yes, sir.
I'm putting conditions on you
Una condición
and your bond. And if you violate it in any way,
condiciones.
then you will go to jail. The reason you got out as quick as you did is because we gave you a free bond.
Pedimos
It
una-
will not happen again. You violate conditions. More importantly, if you drive, because I'm ordering you not to,
Si acaso
then I'm going to make your bond extremely high.
The vibe changed the moment immigration came up. Jail? He thought he could stomach that. But deportation? That's when reality hit. And still, he didn't get it. No license, booze in the car, no papers, and he still expected a slap on the wrist. The judge laid it out. No drinking, no driving, no more mistakes. But you could see it on his face. He's nodding but plotting. And when he gets caught again, and it won't just be jail. It'll be deportation. And he'll act shocked, like nobody warned him.
This is a promise that you're going to make to me today, that you're not going to drive. And I don't care what is going on in your life.
A mí no me importa.
You drive. I can have a contempt hearing. You will be facing an additional 6 months in jail and a $500 fine every time you get into a car and drive. So if you drive 3 times, I will have 3 contempt hearings. You are also not to consume alcohol or illegal drugs. If I find that you're consuming alcohol or illegal drugs, likewise, you will go to jail. And let me be frank with you. If they charge you with the open container, that is a minimum of 5 days in jail. And I'm going to tell you, if you do anything more than 4 hours in custody, you will be stuck like Chuck in custody with an immigration detainer. Do you understand?
Sí, señor.
Yes, sir.
Have you come up here, swore to us that you're not going to drive? I'm not done yet. After that, you will get to Ramona where you will sign a reset. After that, you'll get with Felicia for your bond conditions. This is the only warning that you will get from us, Mr. Tayoun. So take it. If not, you will spend a lot of time with us. When you come back, please have a lawyer, sir. Now you may go.
Then comes the next guy, strolling in like he's at the DMV. Calm, casual, zero urgency. But this isn't about renewing tags. This is about losing his freedom. His blood alcohol? Off the charts. 5 empty bottles in the car and 1 unopened, like he was mid 6-pack before the stop. And still, he's tuned out. Immigration hold, multiple warnings, goes in one ear, out the other. Then when ICE grabs him for months, they're wide-eyed like, what? Bro, you were told.
Luis Armando Hernandez Ramos,
Yes, I am.
charged with driving while intoxicated. You were facing up to a year in jail and or a $4,000 fine because of the high blow. We are going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can or will be used against you. You have the right to have an attorney present. If you cannot afford one, one will be appointed to you, sir.
Yes, Judge. On November 9th, 2024, officer conducted a traffic stop on the defendant's vehicle at approximately 10:47 p.m. after observing it weave between 2 lanes and fail to signal lane changes. Upon contact with the defendant's vehicle, the officer observed a strong odor of an alcoholic beverage, red glassy eyes, slow speech, unsteady balance, and a glazed over look. The defendant had inconsistent statements and trouble with the timeline of the evening. The defendant admitted to drinking beer in his truck prior to driving. Standard field sobriety test.
Did he have alcohol in the car while he's driving?
Your Honor, yes, and towards the end of the statement. So, officer conducted standard field sobriety test, HGN 6 out of 6, walk and turn 8 out of 8, and 1 leg stand 3 out of 4. An inventory search of the vehicle revealed 5 empty 32-ounce Corona bottles, 1 32-ounce Corona bottle with 1 ounce.
I'm sorry, can you repeat that?
Oh, pardon.
Go a little bit slower, huh?
Yes, Judge. An inventory search of the vehicle revealed 5 empty 32-ounce Corona bottles, 1 32-ounce Corona bottle with 1 ounce of fluid in the bottle, and 1 empty 24-ounce Modelo.
Drinking while driving?
DIC was red and defendant consented to correct. The results were 0.174 and 0.173.
Mr. Hernandez Ramos, I'm going to find that there's probable cause to go forward with your case. Tell me, are you a United States citizen?
Ciudadano de Estados Unidos.
Presidente.
I'm a resident.
I don't know if you are or
Yo
not.
no sé si lo
And
es o
quite
no.
frankly, I don't care.
Francamente, a mí no me
This is where the hammer drops. The judge makes it crystal clear this isn't try harder. This is one mistake and boom. 6 months locked up. Every single time. Slip once, you're done. Slip twice, you're buried. It's not advice, it's a countdown. Because one of them will drive again. And when that happens, it's not just contempt charges. It's ice holds, endless hearings, and months behind bars with no release date. All for thinking they could outsmart the system one more time.
importa.
But one thing I want you to understand is if there is any problem with your immigration paperwork whatsoever, and you go to jail and immigration finds you,
A la cárcel.
they will put an immigration detainer on you and you will be stuck like Chuck in jail until this case is over with. And then you will be shipped off to immigration where you will sit for another 6 to 9 months.
6 a 9 meses.
I hope that you would recognize it's damn elementary for you not to have alcohol in the car while you
Dentro de su-
are driving. You now,
Ahora,
I am barring you from driving whatsoever.
ahora,
You will be signing an affidavit with me today promising me that you're not going to drive.
no va.
And I don't care what is going on in your life. If I find that you drive in violation of this affidavit, I can have a hearing to hold you in contempt, slap you with up to 180 days every time you drive.
Yes, cada vez
Do
que
you
maneje.
understand?
Entiende. Yes.
You cannot give any justification at all for getting into a car and driving, and there will be a very hefty toll.
A ver,
I'm also ordering you not to consume alcohol or illegal drugs, and I will randomly test you. If I find that you're consuming alcohol or any kind of illegal drugs or unprescribed controlled medication, likewise, you will go to jail.
va a ir a la
You
cárcel.
will not get any more PR bonds. And like I said, any issues with your immigration whatsoever,
Ya lo que sea,
you will be with me for a long time.
va a estar ahí por largo tiempo. Okay.
I will have you come up here, swear to us that you're not going to drive.
Va a jurar que
I
usted
will
no
have
va
you
a
sign a
manejar.
receipt with Victoria. I will also have you sign your bond conditions with Felicia. We will get you out of here because you need a lawyer to represent you, and we will give you time to go hire a lawyer.
Le vamos
When you come back, hire a lawyer. If you fail to come back, I will issue a warrant for your arrest.
Viene otra vez. Yo entonces voy a dar una orden de arresto.
Here's the brutal kicker. These guys walk out feeling lucky, like they dodged a bullet. But the truth? The next mistake is their last. Jail, ICE, deportation, gone. And every time, they act blindsided, like nobody warned them, even though the judge spelled it out clear as day. So tell me, are the courts handling this the right way? Or are these cases stuck on repeat because no one takes the warning seriously? Courtroom breakdowns drop here daily. So hit that like, drop a comment, and make sure you're subscribed. Appreciate you all watching.